HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art! Hi girls and boys, how is everyone doing? Hope you're doing good. So tell me, what completes a princess? That's right, a crown. And we're gonna draw a crown today. Crowns look so magical. Draw these curves and try to make it symmetrical on both sides. Draw a line, and here we go. The outer sketch is almost done. Now let's fill in the beads. And a heart to go with it. And the shiny jewels. Perfect! Almost done. Now, let's make the outline thicker. Ta-da! It's done! First, let's paint it yellow. And then orange. And some more orange. And my favorite, pink. Red for the heart. And some on the sides. Try to color neatly. And fill the rest with green. Wow! It's already looking so magical and colorful. Some yellow again. And some orange too. And lastly, blue to complete it. Done! Your crown is ready, Your Majesty.